never received such a huge Christmas gift like to it. It's Chapman, okay? And I'm wearing a lot of pain. You should man and thank my sister. I say it's not that bright. Your face is not that shoe. No. It never finishes. It just keeps going on. Serum. Don't play. See the ring. The ring. I'm just coming back from the market and I'm so tired. Hello and welcome back. I have an event to go this afternoon. Let's first of all cook. Let's cook. What's cooking? Food is on fire. Yeah. So let's just get this done. This hair has been for over many weeks now. Brush. Let's lose it down real weak. This hair have gone through a lot. Alright, let's start. Alex, abs.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Guys, we're almost done.
One day you'll disappear, 'cause everything is crying, it was never you or me. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys are way up.
Oh, this is my school piece. You see? Yeah, it's it.
I had to mute the sound because I just got here by the way and the noise around me was just too much. Music everywhere. A lot of things were just going on all at once. So I was just saying the sun is too hot and I just got here. I met some YouTubers here. So they're going to get some things and yeah, nothing much. And yeah, meet my fellow YouTuber. I've forgotten her channel name, so yeah then.
Guys, we are just about to start. Say hi. Hi. Highest life.
She has red now. She has red on. Who will just have red? 4,000 naira. It's no Joro. Team green. Oh yeah. It's no Joro. She has red.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, this is how I woke up. I haven't even looked at the mirror. Hey, good morning, guys. Today is our Thanksgiving service. Thanksgiving Sunday. Yeah, so get ready with me. I have to do my house chores as usual. You guys, good morning. What is the time right now? I think it's after 8. It's Christmas Eve, by the way, and I've not done my hair as well.
Don't fall. Allah is a man right on. Ẹ má wọlé ní má ti fẹ́ lọ máa sọ sí wà náà. Ó dùn mí tán bá dẹ̀ ti rà o. Tí bí tẹ́ ẹ sọ èkejì tẹ́ ẹ sọ pé tí bá ti fihàn wọ́n fi hàn mí ṣùgbọ́n ńlá ni gbogbo wọn ló wà. Bí wàá mọ nǹkan tí ò sí. Ibi tí mo tún gbé lẹ rí kan wọ́n ní pálí là.
I'm so tired. I've been so good for God knows how long.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Came out beautiful. I love it. Merry Christmas, guys. How are you guys celebrating your Christmas? Oh, yeah. Let me know in the comments. How did you celebrate it? Because at that time, Christmas would have passed. So I have a lot of clothes to sew. You see that? Where all the fun is happening. He's on fire.